Ready? Let's open this first gift.
What you got there, Mama?
Open it, Mama. Open it. Good girl. Open it. Open it. Open it. She's holding it.
What do you got, Ma?
Open it, Mama. Wow, those some building blocks? Wow, what's that? Okay. Yay! Look, Lisa! Look! Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Building blocks, Mama. Cool.
What you got there, Mama? What you got there, Lisa? Let's put this off to the side.
Now
We'll
let's
put
do
it
this
right
one,
here.
Mama. Take the bow off.
Take the bow
Good
off.
girl. Okay, ready?
Get it started for her.
Okay, go ahead.
2 hands, Mom. 2 hands.
Come on. Come on. Open it. Good girl. She's like, okay, nothing. Put the bow back on. Okay, let's open it. What's in here? Look, Mama! They're little cars. Look, this is a bug and a bumblebee. Look. Good girl. What are those? Yay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, let's open this one from who's
From Lupita, the lunch lady
the
at
lunch
Carol.
lady at Carol.